up in a place that was named Sin City. People in this world are becoming real shitty. People in my life are trying to bring me down. Most of them want to see me buried in the ground. Every day I wake up, it's a blessing in disguise. Lord wanted me to stand tall and rise. Every day I work hard to build up my craft. Haters are on their phones playing Minecraft. Really don't know what my future will behold. Maybe it will have clean streets made of gold. These days good loyal friends are hard to find. Give me a second, let me jump on my grind. Yeah, there ain't a hook or even a chorus. Men and women are overseas dying for us. People say these killings are a race thing, and the boys in blue need replacing. We all need to stand hand in hand and show the world we are one again. This movement has to start with me. Someday we will be united, wait and see. My parents taught me to do people right, treat people with respect and never start a fight. But you better stand up for what you believe in. They love and support me and all I'm achieving. America is the home of the brave, but why can't we all act right and behave? Is it what the media is telling us, or better yet, what they are selling us? Maybe I'm right, or maybe I'm wrong. All this hatred can only last for so long. This nation is the best on this earth. My love for it dates back to my birth. I go to bed knowing that I'm free, living each day just living like me. Hope this enlightened all of y'all. Let's help America stand tall.